Hey guys, welcome to Phonics and Language. I hope you practiced phonics charts 6 and 7. Make sure you practice them out loud. Those will really help you with the special sounds when we do our tests on Zoom together. So we are going even farther with contractions. We've been doing a lot of contractions and I have a chunk more to do with you today. So remember, a contraction is a shorter way to say two words. You smush them together and take out a couple of the letters of the second word and you put an apostrophe wherever those letters were taken out. We already did the word am, is, are, will, have. Now we're going to do the word not. The word not we use a lot, which is why I said we have a whole chunk that we're going to do today. These are words that we use a lot, and probably you do it all the time without even noticing that it's a contraction. So, not is different than the other ones. All of the other ones took off the first or second letter, but not is kind of tricky. It actually takes out the O in the middle of the word not. So we're going to cross out the O in not, and when we use it, we use the word cannot becomes can apostrophe T. Can't. That's where the apostrophe goes between the N and the T because that's where the O was and now it's not there anymore. This one's also a little tricky. Will not changes its spelling slightly and it becomes won't with an apostrophe between the N and the T. Next we have would not becomes wouldn't with an apostrophe between the N and the T. Could not becomes couldn't with apostrophe between the N and the T. Should not becomes shouldn't with apostrophe between the N and the T. Has not becomes hasn't between the N and the T. Have not becomes haven't between the N and the T. Is not becomes isn't between the N and the T. Was not becomes wasn't with the apostrophe between the N and the T. And do not becomes don't. Apostrophe between the N and the T. Now I want to remind you, a contraction is a shorter way to say two words. So you're actually mushing those two words together and this contraction counts as one word now. It's not two words anymore. It's not a compound word. It's a contraction. You smush it all together. It counts as one word. We don't leave a space in between where the apostrophe is. You put the apostrophe. You don't leave a space for an entire word or a couple letters to fit there. You just put the C-A-N, put the apostrophe, and then the T. Don't leave a huge gap. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and that's it for today.